slightly.
Use caution when opening the overhead bins as contents may have shifted during landing.
We have to board it.
On behalf of Continental Airlines,
We have an hour and a half, dude.
We'd like to thank you for choosing Continental. We realize you have a choice of carriers, and we do appreciate
Let's
your
go.
business.
Let's get this done.
Once again, thank you for flying and have a great day. Your cellular telephones are now permitted.
Give me some, whatchamacallit. They're now permitted? Bloody Mary. Yeah.
Look at all the ExpressJet flights out there. Damn.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Shit. I'm over here talking about how drunk I want to get.
It doesn't matter. It's gonna go on YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, just YouTube.
They don't know who we are, so. I have so many videos on there.
Yeah, well.
Hundreds of their airplane videos. And this concludes another Houston landing.
We're getting fucked up, bitches.